Živo punce! Kar spet zevo. Tokrat so se odločili posnet Whisper Challenge, sigurno ste že slišali za njega. Če še niste, gre se na hitro, tako ona imela na začetku za prvih 5 stavkov. Bo imela ona musko poslušala gor, slušalke, ja, to. Jaz bom med tem govorila neke stavke in ona pravila ugotoviti, kaj jaz govorim. Potem bomo zamenjali vloge in ja, sigurno ste že videli fulje teh tagov na internetu. Bomo pa tokrat so se odločili delali v angleščini, ker sva na začetku pravila v slovenščini ni toliko fun. Tako da ja, greva.
Ni point za stavko, ne?
Dejansko. I'm on a seafood diet. I see food and I eat it. I'm on a seafood diet. I see it and I eat it.
I'm gonna see food. I am a food addict. I'm gonna see what?
I'm on a seafood diet.
Vem samo, da je nekaj v hrani.
May the odd be ever in your favor.
What?
May the odd be ever in your favor.
With art we have
Flavor. May the odd be ever in your favor.
Prva beseda.
May.
Be.
Why is that dog meowing?
Wise man.
Why is that dog meowing?
Why is that? Why is that so what?
Dog meowing.
Why is that
Dog meowing.
Why is that talk about it?
Close enough. I'm so blue, I'm greener than purple.
I'm so good, I really wanna...
Purple? I'm so blue.
I'm so...
I'm so blue.
I'm so
Blue.
blue.
And greener than purple.
I'm gonna eat a blueberry.
Banana error.
Banana is...
Error. Banana error.
Banana you cook.
Banana error.
Banana
Error.
cook.
No, last year. Banana error. Banana error.
Banana...
Error. Okay. Every day, a grape licks a friendly cow.
Every day I go places.
Every day, a grape licks a friendly cow.
Every day, everything, everyone,
Everything.
every day,
Every day.
every day,
A grape
I grape,
licks
list,
a friendly cow.
I friendly cow.
You friendly cow. To gremo menjati. Every day, veš, ko si se drla. Every day I friendly cow. Bi pa dobila neko dore random zdaj. Ujebem ti štena glas.
Ja, ful, zdaj pa res nisem slišala. Every day I grape licks a friendly cow.
A že govoriš?
Really ne.
I'll be your master.
Purple,
Purple.
because playground eggs wear torn scarves have.
Počasi.
Purple,
Purple.
because
Picasso.
because
Picasso.
because yeah, playground eggs
Grass naked.
no playground eggs
Pick out an ass.
playground
Blackout.
playground playground eggs,
Parking.
eggs wear torn scarf hats. This question is
Dishwasher.
This question.
This wash.
Question.
Washer.
Question.
Wash.
Question.
Wish.
Question.
Wash.
Question. Gremo dalje. I randomly.
Retropy.
Randomly.
Rather be.
I randomly.
I rather pee.
No, gremo dalje. A cranky.
Okay.
A cranky old lady. A cranky.
Correct.
Cranky. Okay, old lady. Old lady.
Necky.
Lady.
Letter.
No, what am I?
Let me.
No, lady.
Lady.
Yeah.
Lady. Old lady.
Yeah. Old lady. Shots.
Shot.
Pineapples.
My.
Pineapples.
Počasi to bom dojela.
Pineapples.
My apps.
Pineapples.
My lap.
You eat it. Pineapples. With a machine gun.
What a bitch, guy.
What's more like cucumber?
What's more?
Like cucumber?
Like you?
Like cucumber.
Come.
Cucumber.
Hum. Čakaj, zdaj bo šlo? A ne, sam beram del je, okej.
Cucumber.
Newcomer.
Cucumber.
Cucumber.
Yes.
What's more like cucumber?
Cows.
Out.
Cows.
Cow.
Yeah. The number 2.
Cow.
The number 2.
Tumbird. Boo.
Or a math test.
Check it.
Or a math test.
Or a my test.
Eating your feet. Eating your feet.
Your face is
Eating.
little.
Eating.
Letter.
Eating. Yeah.
You're eating your face.
Your
Your face
feet.
is eating.
Eating your feet.
You're stuffing your face.
Eating your feet.
Oh, eating all the time.
You can.
I don't see the point.
Okay. Laugh out loud.
Laugh out loud.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is my new motto.
Nisem te gledala.
This is my new motto.
This is what you want.
Yes, but no. This is my new motto.
This is my new motto.
Close enough.
Ok, punce, to je za ta video vse. Upam, da ste se vsaj malo nasmejali, tako kot sva se midve. Pač dejansko, kar sem gledala te YouTube videe, nisem hotela ga narediti že 2 leti ven za ta challenge, ampak nisem hotela, ker mi je deloval kar nekaj. Pač dejansko, kar gledaš, tako ne dojameš. Vas pa deram, da pravite to doma. Zato, ker ne moreš
Za novoletni party je to.
To je ful. Ja, ful. Toliko ste preražali, zato, ker dejansko tudi, kadar najdeš te challenge na netu, so toliko povezani stavki, naprimer laugh out loud, sem jaz dogajala, zato, ker je bilo vse povezano. Ko pa dobiš neke pidžane, ananase, pa purple vmes, pa tako nepovezano, da ne moreš ugotoviti. Tako da ja, upam, da ste se imeli fajn med gledanjem tega videa. Evo vam je zvenda všeč, ker pač je carica. To bo za ta video vse. Ja, pa da. Vse bomo že cheesy delovali. To za ta video vse. Če vam je bil všeč, ne pozabite klikati všeč mi je, ne se pozabite subscribe, tako ne zamudite naslednjega in se vidimo drugič. Čau, čau!